I'll discuss using the NetBeans debugger. Now let's go ahead and start by running this application. I'll just press play right there. And we see the result of our application. It's gone through everything without any issues. But if I wanted to debug this, if I wanted to step through code and sort of check things along the way, there's an easy way to do that. Now the first thing we need to do is bring up our debugging toolbar. So if you right click on the toolbar, you'll see right here is debug and there's no check mark by it. I'll go ahead and click that. And there's our debugging toolbar. Now notice how everything is pretty much grayed out. Now the reason for that is we haven't started the debugger. So let's go ahead and press right here. And now this will allow us to debug the project. I'll go ahead and click that. Now, you saw the buttons, if you're looking at them, sort of appear pretty quickly and then disappear again. And again, the same idea. We're just running it right now. We haven't done anything to tell the debugger, okay, hold on, we want to do some things with the application we're running. So the first thing you need to learn about debuggers is something called breakpoints. Now, notice that there's numbers over in the left-hand column. And if I click on that once, you'll see that the line has turned red, and now we've got a red square where the number was. And that's a breakpoint. Now, breakpoints allow you to pause during program execution to check things out. If you wanted to check out the value of a variable at that point in the program execution, or if you just wanted to sort of step through and see what was happening during the execution of the program, you could set a breakpoint. Now, NetBeans allows you to create multiple breakpoints. So I can click, and every time I click, you see that the red square appears right there. Now, once I've set those breakpoints, let's go ahead and press the debug button again. Okay, now notice what happened. We see on the left-hand panel here that it's telling us what's going on, and right now it's that league main line 21. You can see the little green arrow there tells us that we're at that line, and the line has become highlighted as well to tell us that the application or the debugger has paused there. Now down here, we don't have anything in the output because we haven't done anything yet. Let's go ahead and try some of these buttons. Now let's talk about the buttons up here first. Now the first button is finish the debugger session, and it just breaks out of the debugger and allows you to quit. The second one that looks like a pause button is just what it says, a pause. And the third is continue. So if you paused during the program execution and then you decide to continue, then you can press that button right there. Now these ones bear a little more explanation. We have step over. We have step over expression, we have step into, and step out. Now, step over